Welcome back, traders. In this video today I'm going to show you how to receive $25 no deposit bonus right into your account, ready for trading, guys. And you don't need to deposit anything to withdraw this amount of money. All you have to do is just follow this video all the way to the end, because don't wanna miss any step that's gonna show you how to receive this $25 no deposit bonus. There is no verification required right here from this broker, guys. All you have to do is do just 2 steps that I'm going to show you in just 2 minutes, and then you're gonna receive this $25 no deposit bonus right away into your account for absolutely free. And before we go further, guys, help us give this video a like. Just give us a thumb up in appreciation, and if you're not subscribed yet, probably you can consider subscribing to our channel. And let's get started. And before we go further, guys, you can see right here, this is X Trade broker, guys, which is giving you 25 cash bonus for you just to verify your phone number. Whether you have an account already or you are new here, you can receive this bonus right away. I'm going to read for you the terms and conditions, the regulatory information of the broker, guys, and everything that you need to know before you join on this broker, guys. You can see here, verify your phone and receive 25 cash bonus. And number one, you have just to log into your account, select account option, phone verification, submit a valid phone number, and enter the code received by SMS. And then, guys, the bonus is available only once per account. To redeem your bonus, you are required to reach at least a released volume of X point. I'm going to show you that what X points are. We reserve the right to refuse or reject registration at our own discretion or based on regulatory restriction imposed on us. So for the detailed information, please, you can refer to the terms and conditions, but let's not look at it now, guys. And before we go further, guys, I want to show you something right here. As you can see here, guys, X Trade is a safe broker regulated by ASIC and all these companies, guys, and you know it's well reviewed, and I know a lot of people trust this broker, guys. And as you can see here, all the information of the broker is right here, guys, and well provided, and the broker is very nice and supportive. You can see all the information that you need of the broker. They are right here, guys, and the get bonus button is also available right here. You can click if you maybe end up on this website. So let's continue, guys. Let's continue showing you how to claim that no deposit bonus from this broker, guys. You can see right here, before you click sign up, all you have to do is just to view the X points, and the X point probably is the X point here. They are talking about the following table shows how many X point you will receive for each instrument by trading an amount of 1,000. So what they are saying here, guys, for example, if you open a position on Euro USD worth 100,000, you will receive 100 points. So what they mean actually here, for whatever position that you open, because you know on this account exactly, if you whatever position you open, gonna give you like 100 points. All you have to do is open 10 positions. You understand that you only need 10 positions, then that's enough to claim your profit. So 10 positions, whether you make a lot of money or not, that's not what is important. What is important is open and close 10 positions on all the available commodities, indices, forex, and all the cryptocurrencies, and whatever is available for you to trade, guys. You just have to open 10 trades, and then you qualify to withdraw that profit. And we should go back, guys. All you have to do for you to get this no deposit bonus, guys, all you have to do is just click on the get bonus right here, and then you'll be directed guys, to sign up. Be directed to sign up here, or just log in if you already have an account. For me, I can log in with my account. As you can see, my email is right here, but I don't want to do that. I click login, and then they will give you all this information or all this table that you need to fill in, and you have to submit there. And then, guys, they will send you all the information. Then you should probably get yourself going, guys. And for the giveaway, guys, I will announce the giveaway I'll announce the giveaway winners on the next video, guys. This video is too early. I will announce on the next video on this channel, guys. All you have to do, just keep subscribed, and you'll get the giveaway winners of our ebook. And thank you guys for watching one of my video. See you again on the next episode.